Hi guys, I hope you all will be fine and doing good. Today we are going to discuss about two nouns together, where to use two nouns together and how to use two nouns together. And if you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my channel for the latest videos about English and about other interesting subjects. Okay, let's come to the point. The two nouns are often written as a separate words, but we sometimes use a hyphen or we write them as a single word. It can be used like with a hyphen, and it can be used as a single word. For example, like a tea break, a tea break. So here there is no hyphen between tea and break, but tea is noun as well as break is also noun. Second example, at the tea table. Now the tea table, there is noun between tea and table. Tea is also noun, and there is hyphen between tea and table. Tea is also noun, table is also noun. Third example, a bread knife, a bus driver. Bus is noun, driver is also noun. My birthday party, the street lights. So the street lights, street is also noun, lights is also noun, but there is no hyphen. It's sometimes used hyphen between streets and lights, between any words. So when we combine two nouns together, how it is used with ing form, let's see it. Ing form plus a noun. We can use ing form with a noun, like a waiting room means a room for waiting. A washing machine means a machine for washing clothes. The third, like its example, a sleeping bag means a bag for sleeping in. There are many, like we can use with other longer phrases as well. For example, like we can use more than two nouns. It doesn't mean that there is two nouns then we can use. There can be more nouns, more than two nouns. For example, like a glass, coffee, table. Now here the glass is noun, coffee is noun, table is noun, but there is hyphen between coffee and table. But these all three are nouns. The bedroom, carpet. Now bed is noun, room is that noun, and carpet is also noun. The third example, like the winter bus timetable. So these all are longer phrases, like we can say that more than two nouns. So I hope you have gotten today's lesson. If you have any query, you can ask freely in comment section. You can give your suggestion, and take care of yourself. Please subscribe channel, like, share. If you have liked this video, please like, share, comment, and share with your friends as well. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.